And welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be looking at creating a WhatsApp link. I'm generating a WhatsApp link that has a customized message with it. Some of us may have come across links like this where we tap on it, or we click it, and then it just takes us to someone's DM with a message already written out. Already we didn't type it, it's just written out. And most of the times what you just need to write is just your name, like for example, hello, I'm interested in your project, I would love to get involved with your project, or stuff like that. My name is, you just need to write your name. Most of us would have come across with those kind of link, and this is what we'll be looking at today: how to create these kinds of link. And this is very, very important for business persons especially. And we're going to quickly generate a personalized WhatsApp link with a predefined message, and you can share it across your social networks, your customers. When your customers click this link, they will be able to send you a WhatsApp message without even having to add your phone number to their contact list. So you can also, so with that, you get your customer's phone number, and you can make the most of this market and WhatsApp marketing strategy by establishing a more fluid communication with them. So when a customer comes to your DM with that kind of message saying they are interested in a particular product, you know what this customer needs and what the interest of this customer. It's better that this way than customers just coming and saying hello or good afternoon. You are kind of slow to reply that, than when a customer just comes and you see the message, you know that okay, this is really what the customer need, and you are quick to reply that. So we'll be looking quickly, we'll be generating a link to that. What one interesting thing about this is that you do not need to create an account, you don't need to sign up, you don't need to register, and it's totally free. So just go to your Chrome browser. Chrome browser will give you better user experience. You can use other browsers, but preferably Chrome browser, and then search on postcon, CRON, not the postcon like CORNO, but this. So we just search on postcon on Google, POSTCRON. So you go down, see something like this with this logo. This is it with this logo. And Postcon has many features. Apart from generating WhatsApp link, you can also schedule post. Yes, you can also schedule post with Postcon. That is you can schedule your posts, your pictures that you want to publish on social media, on your Facebook or your WhatsApp, on your Twitter. So that saves time, and it's just like an alarm that is set for 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. So you just set your post by 12 a.m. The post just automatically goes up. So, but we're not looking at that. We'll just be using Postcon only to generate WhatsApp link today. So you just tap on this WhatsApp link generator. Yeah, you just tap on the WhatsApp link generator, and it takes you directly to the portal where you can generate your WhatsApp link. Here you just need your phone number and the message you want. So we're going to be looking at a message that says, hi, I am interested in your product, or I am interested in your product. Hi, I want to make more inquiries about your product. My name is. So that's what we're going to be looking at. So here you're going to write your phone number, and this other box here you're going to write the message or the information. So now in this phone number you have to take note, you have to add your country code. You have to add your country code in front of it. So for Nigeria, country code is 234. So if in US, your country code is 1. If in UK, your country code is 44. So for Nigeria, 234, and then we're going to put a WhatsApp. Make sure it's a WhatsApp number. So this is a WhatsApp number, and then we're going to write a message that says, hello, I want to make inquiries about your product. Full stop. My name is, then the person just inputs his name there. So I'm just going to put a dash there, like a dash there, yeah. So the person knows that okay, this is where you input your name, and then we're going to create a link. You can create multiple links for multiple messages, depending on what you need. So this is the link there. We tap on this copy link, and we have copied it. But this link will be very long. We just want to shorten it. So we're going to go to Bitly. It's a very popular website where you shorten long text links that have long text. So we're going to just shorten it and make the link very simple. So we'll come over here, Bitly. Yeah, this is it. So bit.ly. So this is a very popular website where you shorten links that have big much text. So we're just going to tap here and paste and get this out of the way. Tap here, paste the link here, then tap on shorten, and this is it. So this is how the link is, just very short. And now we are going to test run this link and go over to WhatsApp, and paste it. So this is like a customer who is given this link and he taps on it. Let's see what comes out. Okay, with WhatsApp, you open with WhatsApp and then it's actually for the number, so we have to make sure it's WhatsApp. So this is it. Hello, I want, okay, we made a mistake. I want to make, I'm supposed to write two. So I want to make inquiries about your product. My name is, and then the customer is a predefined message already that comes with the link. So the customer just writes his name. My name is Samuel, and then he sends, and then you the business owner sees this. So you can use this for different projects or programs that you may be having with your business, and you can create multiple links for different categories of different situations and then share it to your customers on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, and it's very easy and is very, very interesting. Thank you very much for your time.